Want strong, shiny, and healthy hair, without spending too much? Here's my simple hair care routine that actually works. Struggling with hair fall, dryness, or slow growth? This is my complete hair care routine that helped me get stronger, shinier hair, without expensive products. Watch till the end for the hair mask I swear by. Let's start our hair care without wasting a time. Step 1. Pre-wash treatment. First, I use a Derma Roller. Before oiling, remember to spray a little water on your Derma Roller before and after using it. This helps with better absorption and makes the process smoother. Derma rolling can actually help your hair grow faster and allows oils to work more effectively. Don't press too hard or roll too fast, it can cause itching or redness on your scalp. Just use it twice a week, that's enough. I always start with a pre-wash oiling treatment. I use coconut or argan oil, or my homemade oil. Gently massage it into the scalp. This helps reduce hair fall and keeps the roots strong. Make sure to comb before oiling. After oiling, I oil my hair, then steam it to open up the pores and helps the oil soaked. The hair mask is coming up next, but I'll show it to you at the end, so keep watching. Step 3. Prepare the shampoo. Hair mask shared at the end. I don't use shampoo directly. Let me tell you how you can use shampoo, step by step. Take a pan, then fill a bowl with water. Add fenugreek seeds and tea leaves to the water. Bring the mixture to a boil and let it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. Remove it from heat and allow it to cool completely. Once cooled, strain the mixture to remove the seeds and leaves. Add your preferred shampoo to the strained liquid and mix well. Wash your hair with this shampoo. Benefits of using shampoo like this. First, we'll talk about fenugreek seeds. Reduces hair fall and breakage. Strengthens hair roots. Helps control dandruff and itchy scalp. Makes hair softer and smoother. Adds natural shine. Number 2. Tea leaves. Rich in antioxidants that support healthy hair growth. Helps reduce hair fall. Adds natural shine and smooth texture. Can help darken hair slightly and reduce dullness. Keeps scalp fresh and clean. Number 3. Shampoo. Gently cleans the scalp. Removes dirt, oil, and buildup. When mixed with methi and tea water, it becomes milder. Less dryness compared to using shampoo alone. Controls hair fall. Makes hair soft, shiny, and manageable. Reduces dandruff and scalp irritation. Strengthens hair from root to tip. Let's talk about the hair mask. First, take a 1 spoon of flex seed. Then add water as needed. Take 1 spoon of fenugreek seeds. Boil the moisture until it gets thick. Strain the mixture and store it in a container after it boiled properly. Apply this gel on your hair for 30 minutes. This mask adds a natural shine and makes your hair look glassy. Follow the same shampoo routine I've shared in this video, and you'll clearly see the results on your own hair. So, this was our complete hair care routine. If you follow it consistently, it's going to be very effective for your hair, trust me. You'll start noticing smoother texture, less frizz, and healthier shine with time. Now let's talk about some bonus tips that will make this routine even more powerful and help you get better results even faster. Now, let's talk about some bonus tips. Use a silk scrunchie. Avoid tight hairstyles. Comb gently twice a day. Sleep on a silk pillowcase, and always massage your scalp after oiling. Small habits make a big difference. Hey guys, that was our complete hair care routine. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And yes, we just hit 1K subscribers. This milestone is only possible because of your love and constant support, and I'm truly grateful for each one of you. Now I'm planning something special for the next video. I'm thinking of using my own voice and sharing my personal remedies with even better results. But before I do that, I need your honest opinion and support. Tell me in the comments how you like this video, and most importantly, should I start uploading videos with my own voice? Your feedback means everything to me. And if you're new here and enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe and be a part of this growing family. Let's grow together. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, ta-ta.